Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave, and it's Monday. It's the beginning of a new month. We are going to be looking at the last month's review on my Legion secrets. Exactly how much did I earn? How's it going? How's this journey going for me? Guys, if you're here for the first time on this channel, I talk about skill sets that help you pave the way for your dreams to come true. So basically, stay tuned. I specifically on a Monday talk about my Legion secrets because I use affiliate marketing to help me with my online journey. I use affiliate marketing and I specifically use my Legion secrets as my main source to get started in the whole system in itself. So let me get to it in a second, but today is going to be specifically a review for my numbers for my Legion secrets. I started using it in March this year, so I'm going to share in a second what my Legion secrets is, how it's going to help you. Some people are watching this as a review, some people are deciding whether it makes sense for them or not. So I hope this video is useful for you. I'm going to hop on my computer and share with you more. Okay guys, I'm here on my laptop, and the first thing that I wanted to share with you, or the first actually the whole reason why I'm making these videos is on a Monday I usually talk about my Legion secrets. Why? Because I am using affiliate marketing to help me pave the way for my dreams to come true and other skill sets. In fact, this channel is all about skills. So if something that I'm talking about is interesting to you, if you relate to it, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified for all the videos that I do post in the future. I basically post 3 videos a week. So whether it's my Legion secrets that you're interested in, or you're interested in the system that I use to build my own email list and have my own emails work for me, and then also the actual strategy, which you can see on screen right now, everything is revealed. I'm transparently documenting my entire journey, how to get $1,000 per month, and then even further on. So you will be able to see the entire whole process, exactly how long it's going to take, what I look at, and so on and so forth. So I hope you enjoy these videos. As I said, hit that subscribe button. There's also going to be a link to my Facebook group in case you want specific support from me personally. It's the place that I can give you guys the most support, share with you the plan, talk to you, and make sure that you get the right information that you need. So that group is important. Please answer the questions, otherwise I will not let you in the group. So that being said, let's go ahead and share with you what is my Legion secrets in the first place. Let me clear this up right from the get-go because I have a lot of questions regarding this. People think that my Legion secrets is something that's going to get you sales or commissions in your journey. No, what my Legion secrets is, the product of my Legion secrets is they are supplying you with leads, with 100 to 200 leads every day. Why do I say 100 to 200? Because the moment you get one person to join in my Legion secrets, you get a boost of not 100 but 200 leads every single day. So that's the first thing I wanted to say. So 100 to 200 leads every single day that you get into the platform itself. It has an autoresponder, so you don't need anything extra. All you need to do is send an email out every single day. Now, they fulfill their promises by giving you that 100 leads every day. The conversion and the sales of those leads are on you. That's your job as a marketer, to be writing the right email. So let me go ahead back to my whiteboard to share with you. I follow a simple structure. I use my Legion secrets as the cash flow generating step. So step one is the only purpose is to generate a cash flow commissions, which I can then use to build my own list. So I use it to get commissions first, and then I use those commissions, I reinvest it into my business in order for me to start to generate traffic and build my own email list and build my own structure and have things go in place on my list. So that is the whole difference. So step one is cash flow, have a cash flow. This is the cash flow step. And two is the traffic generation itself. So step one, it starts with my Legion secrets. So that's the core for me. This is the core. I send out an email every single day to an offer. And then when somebody buys that offer, I make a sale. That's it. Okay. I'm keeping it that simple. So what my whole aim of using my Legion secrets is to send out an email and get a sale. If I don't get a sale, that's on me. Not on my Legion secrets, but that's on me because I need to write the better emails. How to do this and everything else, I have training in the description. So you can find a whole playlist on all my training related to my Legion secrets, which I post every single Monday. So you will get everything under the sun with relation to my Legion secrets is there. So if it's not, ask me the question and I will make a video about it. So feel free to check that playlist out in the description. So let me go ahead and log into my Legion secrets account and share with you more. As I said, their main offer is to give you those 100 leads every day. How much does it cost? It costs $1 per day or $30 per month. There is a $30 setup fee. So the first month will cost you $60. And then following that, if you keep your account, After those 30 days, you will need to pay $30 recurring every single month. That is how it is. You can build a team. I'm going to leave a link to this page as well in the description in case you want to join My Legion Secrets. Now, is there proof that My Legion Secrets is working? Actually, let me go ahead and share with you, not just for me, but let me share with you also for other people so that you see this is the main support, rather membership group that we have right here. And you can see if I just go to the whole section right here, you can see that there's a message and lots of support that's been given in the group. But here there's a sale, here there is another sale. If I scroll down, you'll see more sales coming in. My sales, as you can see right here, I'm posting my results as well, more sales. So does this work? Yes, it does. All you have to do is work it for it to work. And now I personally get sales every single week, guys. Yes, every single week since I've joined, I've got sales. That is because I put in the work of emailing every day, and I focus on the quality of my emails first and foremost. Now I send the traffic or send the leads to affiliate marketing product on Warrior Plus, and that makes the sale for me, and that's where I get my commission. So I'm not getting My Legion Secret sales, I'm getting commissions on another platform, which is Warrior Plus, which you can do the same. Let me log into My Legion Secrets to share with you a little bit more of the statistics so that you get an idea, and then we can go ahead and share with you a little bit more of my monthly results. So let's go ahead and share with you the statistics. As you can see, I get about 100 to 200 clicks every single day. I try to get more. I'm now focusing on trying to get at least 200 clicks every day. It doesn't happen, but it can get there, and that's the whole purpose of me. It does take over time. Like if I go back and see my later emails, you can see that I've actually got those 200 clicks on, or close to 200 clicks. You can see 300 clicks also. So I am doing well with certain emails. I am analyzing each and every email that I do send to see what works, because I write these emails every single day. I do not have a list. I use ChatGPT and I write my emails and I send them every single day. That's it. I do edit them also. It's not just copy paste from ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and look at just my commissions for the month of September from My Legion Secrets. And then we're going to be taking that amount and adding it to the amount that I've earned on Warrior Plus so that you can see the difference. So now I'm here on my screen for the commissions. Let's just count the commissions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 commissions of $5. So let's just do that. $5 into 8 is $40. Okay. Those are the commissions that I've got there. But I did withdraw $55. So I believe that there are some commissions from, let me go back and look at this. There are some commissions from the last month that I think 1, 2 here. And oh no, sorry, what did I do? Sorry, there's more. 1, 2, 3 more. So 3 more is 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. So that's correct. Yeah, because I did withdraw 55. So that's $55 from this month. Okay, so 11 commissions this month. Let me just check how many active members do I have. It should say 12, because basically one person dropped off. So I've so far got 12 active members. Okay, so most probably this is why I didn't get that one payment, because it went away. I should have got it actually, but maybe it's because I had $5 in the previous month. I don't know, but I withdrew $55, this much I know. So technically $60 this month from, actually $55. Let's just do it that way, because if we look at the commissions, you can see that it's 55 for the month of for the month of September. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes. So $55 for that. Okay. So we have $55 minus, I'm already going to do it, $30. Okay. So that's $25 we have from My Legion Secrets as profit. Now let's go ahead and go to Warrior Plus, and I'm going to go to transactions so you guys see this very clearly. We're going to be looking at September. As you can see, it is from September 1st to September 30th. And let's put the tracking code MLGS and search. And what you can see right here is that there are 13 items, sales of 300, commissions of 213. So let's do this and add 200 and plus 213 point. Actually, let's just paste this. So yeah, That's it. That's what I have. And we will see the total amount has been, this is purely net profit, guys, is 238. So remember, I've spent $30 this month, but I have made $238 in commissions with my Legion Secrets. How does it fare to the previous month? You can check out my latest or the last month's review also on the channel. So feel free to check that playlist out in the description. You can find the other ones. But that's the profit I made for this month. So 238 in commissions, remember that, and $300 worth of sales. That's good because, as I mentioned, this is in my mind with the product that I'm selling and everything. It is basically a $200 per month method that generates me right now. It can get more, but so far it's been generating me around $200 consistently every single month if I look at it. So that's the beauty of it. I still have, I'm shooting this on the 30th, so I still have one more day. Maybe I might make more sales today. I don't know how it's going to be panning out, but that we will count for next month, and we will not count it for this month. We will check that out later if there are any sales. But as you guys can see, the last sale I made was 5 days ago, and that's a good $20 commission that came in right there. Usually I make more, but these are all my Legion Secrets. And if you want to know the total since March that I got started, just to let you know, this strategy has generated me, let's go to the 1st of March and just go and then put MLGS, search. This strategy has generated, just for my Legion, using this strategy has generated me $1,398 in commissions and 85 sales since March when I got started, over $2,000. So don't tell me that my Legion Secrets doesn't work. Don't tell me that you're not going to get sales. It's all on you on how you send an email. What's the entire process? It's simple, guys. Let me just do this and go. You go to the mailing system once you join my Legion Secrets. By the way, on the homepage, you will see that there's a quick start video, a support guide. And then you can basically once every 24 hours, you send out an email. Like I said, there's going to be a whole training in the description, so check that out. You basically go to my mailing system right here, select the entire amount of leads that you need to send it to, and then you add a subject, and you add your text right here. You can select perfect timing, which is usually what I do, and then send your email. As you can see, I sent this morning, so I still have 18 hours left to send the next day. But if I go to my statistics, you can see that I'm sending each and every day. I'm capping at 9,000. That's just what I'm doing. It's a way for me to keep my list as clean. I've shared about this again in the training, so you can check that out in the description of this video. But otherwise, everything is here, guys. If you have any comments, let me know. This strategy itself has generated me just this first step. Remember, just this first step, over $200 every single month consistently right now. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. This month it's about 200, and as you saw, $238.29, which is great to see. And if I go about just to show you for the month of September, how much total commissions I've earned in my business, so just so that you guys get an idea of like the value of it, let's just go to September and put go. And as you can see, in September, I've earned over $400. So imagine just 431, actually more than that, because the total also should include something else. So let's go here and look at it right here. This is, yeah, so this is how much I've earned. So this minus, so basically $192 is the difference. 192 I've earned from specifically my own strategy, and the rest has been earning from my Legion Secrets. So step one right now is a good cash flow generator, and it's generating me sales too, and allowing me to also buy traffic to my leads. Now, this whole strategy I talk about in the playlist below, so I'm not going to specifically share about it, but the whole mindset or point of using my Legion Secrets is to have a traffic source. I learned this the hard way, guys. I've had my ups, I've had my downs, I've got successes, but I've got a lot of failures as well. And I've learned the hard way that as long as you have a cash flow generating method, which this is, then you can have consistent sales and affiliate marketing and grow your list very strategically, scientifically, almost over time. It is about your commitment and consistency with the strategy. That is it. I look forward to sharing with you more on Friday with more videos on specifically the strategy itself. So make sure you have that subscribe button hit and the bell notification as well, so you get notified for the videos. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to comment on the video below. I'm always here to help. This is the channel that I'm documenting everything. If you want to see the past month's results, you will be able to see that also in the playlist below. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you on Wednesday for another video. Have a great day.